It's a week of sequels, including one for Channing Tatum. No, not Magic Mike Part 2. That's still being filmed. But 22 Jump Street, the sequel to a successful comedy with Jonah Hill. Declared too old to infiltrate a high school, the bumbling undercover cops go undercover in a college, where Tatum joins the football team and Hill heads for the art world. Naturally, there's a spring break, a drug cartel, and more bumbling humor. While the best stuff was probably used in 21 Jump Street, there's still a smile or two left for this film. Ice Cube returns as a name-mangling boss, and a few of your old TV favorites make cameo appearances. There's enough here to enjoy, but don't expect a 23 Jump Street to follow anytime soon. Both Hill and Tatum are, well, just too big to play hangover games. If one movie isn't enough for Jonah Hill fans, there's a second this week. It's How to Train Your Dragon Part 2. In the sequel to one of the best animated films of the past decade, Hiccup, the young dragon rider, and his partner, Toothless, discover a cave of wild dragons and a mysterious guy called the Dragon Rider. They have to stop a battle, discover their own path in life, and keep the action interesting for folks who shelled out an extra $3 for 3D. Surprisingly, it all works well. Jay Baruchel is still charming as Hiccup, and Jonah Hill gets his laughs as Snotlout. Toss in Kristen Wiig, recent Oscar winner Cate Blanchett, and Game of Thrones star Kit Harington, and you can see this isn't just a way of cashing in. The How to Train Your Dragon folks know how to make a good film, and once again, they've done just that. With your movies in a minute, I'm Bruce Miller.